In this question, we have to find correct order of Ka value of following acid. Now, Ka value of acid depend on acidic strength. With increasing acidic strength, Ka value of acid increases. Now, acidic strength depend on stability of conjugate base. Stability of conjugate base. With increasing stability of conjugate base, acidic strength also increases. Now, stability of conjugate base is anion and negative ion is stabilized by electron withdrawing minus I effect and destabilized by plus I effect. So, minus I effect will increase acidic strength. Now, if we compare first ion, now CH triple bond C, CH2, C double O negative. Now this anion is stabilized by minus I effect of sp hybridized carbon, while in second case CH2 double bond CH, CH2 C double O negative. Now this ion is stabilized by minus I effect of sp2 hybridized carbon. So minus I of triple bond is greater than double bond. Here sp hybridized carbon is present, while in this case sp2 hybridized carbon is present. Now sp hybridized carbon is having greater minus I effect, so first is more acidic than second. Now in third case CH3 CH2 C double O negative ion will be formed. Now this ion is destabilized by plus I effect, so this is least stable anion, and if anion is least stable, then acidic strength will be least, and hence correct answer is 1, 2, 3. First is most acidic, then second, and then third. In this question, we have to find correct order of acidic strength. Now, acidic strength depend on stability of conjugate base. With increasing stability of conjugate base, acidic strength increases. Now, conjugate base is anion, and anion is stabilized by minus I electron withdrawing group and destabilized by plus I effect. Now CH2 whole twice C double OH is common in all the molecule. So group having maximum minus I will have maximum dissociation constant and maximum stability of conjugate base and will be maximum acidic. Now minus I effect of NH3 positive is maximum due to presence of clear positive charge. Now then C double OH, then F, while D, in case of D, CH3 is present, which is having plus I effect. So this will destabilize conjugate base and decreases acidic strength. So most acidic compound is B and least acidic is D. In this question, we have to find correct acidic strength of following dibasic acid. Now first oxalic acid is taken. Now oxalic acid is having 2 C double OH group. Next succinic acid. Succinic acid is having total 4 carbon. Then malonic acid is present. Malonic acid is having total 3 carbon. Now fourth case adipic acid is taken. Now adipic acid is having total 5 carbon. Now if we compare among given acid which is most acidic, now in first case C double OH is closer to C double OH, so minus I effect is distance dependent effect. So first is having maximum minus I effect and will be most acidic. Now with increasing distance, minus I effect decreases. So after 1, 3, now distance of C double OH is comparatively more. In case of fourth, C double OH is present at maximum distance. So correct acidic strength is 1, 3, 2 and then 4, and hence correct answer is C. In this question, we have to find correct order of Ka value of given acid. Now K value of acid depend on acidic strength. With increasing acidic strength, K value also increases, and acidic strength of species depend on stability of conjugate base. Conjugate base is formed after removal of H positive ion. So if we compare stability of conjugate base, we can compare acidic strength. Now H2O will form OH negative. In second case, CH triple bond C negative, CH3 NH negative, and CH2 double bond CH negative. OH negative is formed from H2O, from acetylene, from amine, and from alkene. Now stability of ion, stability of negative ion depend on electronegativity. Negative charge is more stable on more electronegative atom. So stability of negative charge, stability of negative ion depend on electronegativity. Now oxygen being more electronegative, OH negative is most stable. Then sp hybridized carbon is more electronegative than nitrogen. So CH triple bond CH is more stable than CH3NH negative. Then CH2 double bond CH negative is least stable. So H2O will have maximum K value, then acetylene, then amine, and then alkene, and hence correct answer is B. In this question we have to find correct order of acidic strength. Now acidic strength of carbon hydrogen bond depend on stability of carbon ion. Now in first case, anion form is CH2 negative NO2, which is stabilized by minus I effect of one NO2 group, while in second case CH NO2 and NO2 is formed. Now this is stabilized by electron withdrawing power of 2 minus I group. Now in case of 3, CH3 CH NO2 ion is present. Now this ion is stabilized by minus I effect of one NO2 group and destabilized by plus I effect of one CH3 group. So plus I and minus I both are present. NO2 is having only one minus I. Here two minus I groups are present. In case of third, now this anion is stabilized by minus I effect of 3 NO2 group. So fourth is most stable because this is stabilized by minus I effect of 3 NO2 group. So fourth is most stable. Then 2 stabilized by 2 NO2 group. Then 1 and 3 is least stable because stabilized by 1 minus I and destabilized by 1 plus I, and hence correct answer is 1. So 1 is correct answer. In this question we have to find which is more acidic than the remaining 3. Now acidic strength depend on minus I group. With increasing minus I group, acidic strength increases. Now if we take first option, CH3COOH, now this CH3 is having plus I effect, so in case 1 plus I effect is present. In case B, FCH2COOH, now this fluorine group is having minus I effect, so due to minus I effect acidic strength is increased. In case C, one Cl is present. Now this Cl is again having minus I effect but comparatively less minus I effect. In case 4, trifluoroacetic acid, now these 3 fluorine atom will have very strong minus I, so fourth is most acidic among the other 3. Now if we compare others. So 4 is maximum acidic. Then second, having powerful minus I group, F is more powerful compared to Cl. So 4, 2, then 3 and 1, and hence correct answer is D. In this question we have to find which of the following is weakest acidic. Now acidic strength depend on minus I group. With increasing minus I effect, acidic strength increases, and with increasing plus I effect, acidic strength decreases. Now in first case, Cl, CS2, COOH, Cl is having minus I effect, so minus I is present. In case B, trichloroacetic acid, 3 Cl groups are present which have minus I effect, so minus I of 3 groups is present in this molecule. In option C, CS3COOH, now CS3 is having plus I effect. In case D, dichloroacetic acid, minus I effect of 2 group is present. Now with increasing minus I effect, acidic strength increases. So among these, second is most acidic, then fourth, then first, and third is least acidic. So weakest acid is C, and hence correct answer is C. In this question we have to find among these given X, Y and Z which is correct order for acidic strength. Now first we have to keep in mind that COOH is having pK value in range of 4 to 5, while NH3 positive or NH2 group after protonation have pK value approx to 10. So very important point, COOH is always more acidic than NH3 positive. COOH will always more acidic than NH3 positive because it is having pK value in range of 5, it is having pK value in range of 10. So approximately COOH is 10 to power 5 times more acidic than NH3 positive. So out of X, Y and Z, it is very clear that X is most acidic. Now we have to compare among Y and Z. Now this COOH group will have minus I effect on both NH3 positive, but minus I effect is distance dependent effect. So minus I will be more applicable on Y because closer to NH3 group. So after X, then Y and then Z, and hence correct answer is B. In this question we have to find which of the following is strongest acid. Now acidic strength depend on stability of conjugate base, which depend on minus I effect. With increasing minus I effect, acidic strength increases. Now in first case CS3, CS2, COOH. Now this CS3, CS2 group is having plus I effect. In second case, Cl group is present. Now Cl is having minus I effect, and now this minus I effect will increase acidic strength. Now in option C, Cl is comparatively closer because here Cl is present in third position, while in this case Cl is present in second position. So more minus I and more minus I, hence acidic strength will be comparatively higher. In option D, CS3, COOH, there is no minus I effect, rather plus I effect of CS3 group is present. So among these, third is most acidic, then second, then fourth, and first is having minimum acidic strength, and hence correct answer is C. In this question we have to find which is the strongest carboxylic acid among the following. So now order of acidic strength depend on minus I effect. With increasing minus I effect, acidic strength decreases. Now if we take first example, trichloroacetic acid, now these Cl are having minus I effect, So minus I effect of 3 group is present. In second case, now 3 Br atoms are present which are having minus I, but minus I of Cl is greater than Br. Now in third case, CF3COOH, now 3 fluorine atoms are present which are having minus I. In option D, 2 Cl groups are present which are having minus I. So among these, third is having most electron withdrawing group with maximum number. So third is most acidic. Now Cl is less withdrawing compared to fluorine. So after 3, 1. Now out of 3 Br and 2 Cl, 3 Br withdraw more. So then 2, and fourth is least acidic, and hence most acidic compound is trifluoroacetic acid, and hence correct answer is C. In this question we have to find correct order of acidic strength among given compound. Now acidic strength is directly proportional to stability of conjugate base, and stability of conjugate base, now conjugate base is anion, and stability of anion increased by minus I effect and decreased by plus I effect. So in short, we can write acidic strength increases with increasing minus I effect and decreases with increasing plus I effect. Now if we consider first example, in this molecule CH2, now this OH is acidic, having acidic hydrogen. Now NHCH3 impart minus I effect, so increases acidic strength. In second case, in between NH and OH, one extra CH2 is present, so it will have comparatively less minus I effect, because minus I effect is distance dependent, and due to increasing one more carbon, its minus I effect is comparatively less. In case of third, when tertiary ammonium group is present, now this NH3 positive, NR3 positive is having maximum minus I effect, because nitrogen is having clear positive charge, having very strong minus I effect. So third is most acidic, then first, and then second, and correct answer is 3, 1 and 2, hence answer A is correct. In this question we have to find least acidic compound. Now acidic strength is directly proportional to minus I effect. With increasing minus I effect, acidic strength increases. Now out of NO2, F, pH and CH3, NO2 is having maximum minus I effect, so it will have maximum acidic strength. Then from fluorine and phenyl, fluorine is having more minus I than pH, and CH3 is having plus I effect, so instead of increasing acidic strength, it will decrease acidic strength. So most acidic is A, then B, then C and D. D is least acidic, A is most acidic, and hence correct answer is D.